We found an incredible strategy that no one else knows about and where you can earn up to $200 to $3,000 without having any skills or experience. There are only a few people who know about this secret strategy, and they're making tons of money every single month. Today you're going to be one of them. If you're a complete beginner at the making money online field, then this method is the perfect one for you. It helped us so much as a beginner, and we know that it's going to do our subscribers some good too. That's why we knew we just had to share it. You guys are important to us, and we always want to make you guys successful with each and every method that we share with you on our YouTube channel, and that's why we give you complete strategies, with a lot of love and concern added into the whole process, to give you only the best of the best. You know that we're all about the free-flowing life. So we made sure that this secret method is going to be the easiest way to make money that you've ever encountered in your whole life. We honestly think that you're not ready to hear this, but we just want to give it to you already. So, all of us can earn money and be successful. Again, our method is completely free. You won't need to invest anything or pay for anything, there's nothing like that, because we don't want you guys to pay just to earn. We always try to discover methods that will not require you to pay a single penny, so that you can make tons and tons of it, without any worry of shelling out your own money. Also, this method is available worldwide. So if you're from anywhere in the world, you have no excuse to not join in on today's method. This method just might be the key to the greatest life ever, and we can't wait to witness it. Make sure that you watch this whole entire video from start to finish, so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details. Because if you do miss important details, then chances are, you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Side Hustle from Home channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our making money online journey. And also hit the notification bell to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. We want you to go on MoneyPantry.com, and this is what you should see. Welcome to MoneyPantry, simple solutions to earn and save more money. MoneyPantry is a personal finance blog with a focus on helping you earn and save more money. We scour the world to bring you extraordinary, unusual yet practical ways of making and saving more of that. All important though, this is not a get-rich-quick site. This is a blog for those of you who want a better financial life, a blog for those of us who want to use our skills, knowledge and time as money-making tools so we can get a side hustle going, make some extra money in our free time, save a little more of what we already have, pay off debt and everything else that makes life a little easier and less stressful. Our free and practical money tips include work-at-home jobs, side hustles, unusual ways of making money online, practical ways of saving money at home, online, in the store and everywhere else. Small business ideas online. Survey sites that pay, cashback sites, real freebies and samples, great deals and discounts, and how to get more, and so much more. Now if it can earn and save you money, MoneyPantry will find it for you. So the best of MoneyPantry to make it easier for you to get started. We've gathered the best of MoneyPantry from 3 of our most popular categories. So read these first and then scroll down to find and read our latest posts. As you can see here, make money, save money and freebies, and we will obviously focus on making money, and there are quite a few options laid down for us. But we want you to go back at the top and then look up Pay to Write. Sites that pay you $50 to $3,000 per blog post. And we want you to click on that result. And as you can see, you will get paid $50 to $3,000 to write or blog about anything at all. And if you scroll down, you'll see all of the websites that do this to our newcomers. We'd love to know where you guys are from. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now, we have a list of sites. It will pay you to write about vacation or travel. We have ones that pay about general interest. Scroll down for more options you will actually see, which we personally think is great because it gives everyone a chance to write about what they truly want to write about and earn really good money from it. Underscore. Now, as an example for today's video, we're just going to choose to write about general interest, because we think it's going to be the easiest topic to write about something and that everyone can actually relate to. So, we're going to click on Vibrant Life right here, that claims that they pay $100-$300 per post. The Vibrant Life is a bi-monthly magazine with a focus on healthy living, physical, mental and spiritual being. With a Christian perspective. One very interesting fact about this one is that they do accept already published articles under certain circumstances. You can expect anywhere from $100-$300 per article. So once you click on this link, you'll be brought over here, where you will see all of the guidelines for those who want to apply. It has literally everything that you need to know. So if you want to know every single detail, then make sure that you go on this website specifically and read through this whole page to know everything you need to know. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And hit the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Google search comes in order to make a great submission. You're going to look up articles on google.com, and let's say you want to write about health, specifically on how to lose weight. So you're going to go on Google and then look up articles on how to lose weight. And so, I found this one, which is the first search result. And as you can see, it enumerates what you need to do to lose weight and maintain the weight, and it's a really nice article, and what you're going to do is copy your favorite parts of the article and then just paste it on paraphraseonline.com. On this website you'll be able to have whatever you just copied. IT will paraphrase and completely rewrite IT for you. This is a must because you're not allowed to plagiarize. So make sure that you go on paraphraseonline.com, paste your favorite parts of the article, and make sure that you create a whole article first on the first box, and until you feel like it's good enough, you can then paraphrase it, and boom, just copy the paraphrased version of your already ready article. Polish it in Word or any of your chosen word editor and submit it to Vibrant Life. You just want to open your email account and then compose an email, and make sure to address it to heather.quintana@pacificpress.com. Make sure that you copy that correctly so that it will be sent to the right person. Then, all you need to state in that email is your full name, where you're from, your age. Just basically introduce yourself. Thank them for the opportunity. Don't forget to attach your article before pressing send. There you have it, $3,000 straight into your PayPal account, with barely any work at all. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next video.